Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge on Nothing Phone 2. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge and then click search. Here you can click install and now you can click open. Now you can click skip introduction and here you can customize your home page, or you can just click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your account, or you can click not now. Here you can make your Microsoft Edge default browser, or you can click not now. Now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now your Microsoft Edge is set up, and now it asks you if you want to import your browsing data from Google, or you can click not now. And now you can use your Microsoft Edge just like any other browser. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.